Hello guys, welcome back to the channel The Techie Guy, and today we are solving our DCA question. Okay, and this question is also comes in NQT sometime. It is a much popular question. Okay, so this type of question you can expect, and this question is based on Cadence algorithm. Okay, so we will see what is Cadence algorithm and what was the question. Okay, so it is an Leetcode medium level question. Okay, so we are jumping towards the medium level questions right now. So question name is maximum subarray. Okay, so what is given? You have to given an integer array nums, find the subarray with the largest sum and returns its sum. Okay, so what an array is given which is names is nums. In Python there may be a list, okay, which is given, and what we have to return? We have to return a subarray with the largest sum. Subarray, what is subarray? Subarray is the parts in the array and it is continuous. Okay, so what is the explanation? So explanation is this, okay, like -4, -1, 2 and 1. So from where? So from this here, it is the maximum sum, largest sum 6. Okay, you can add all this. So -2 and 1, then it is going to be -1. Okay, then this 4 will be -4. Okay, and this 4 if you add on, then it is 0. So from here it is the sum is 0. But if we taken from here onwards, okay, so this minus minus cancel and 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, so in this question maximum sum will be 6, and in this case there is only one element, so only return this. Uh okay, and if 5 4 minus 1 7 8, now we can check 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 1. So I think the largest sum is 23, since we can add both, and we can like we don't have any largest or maybe some of the error here. Okay, so now what we are going to do here, so in Cadence algorithm what we have done, like the approach is simple. Okay, we have two variables. First one is like okay, so first of all let me clear with my pencil. First variable is our sum and second variable is our current sum. Okay, or you can think this as max. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are just going to add these elements, okay, one by one. And whether if we encountered the like if we encountered our sum is goes below 0, okay, like below, or it is in negative, okay, then what we are going to do, we are just going to like update our current sum to 0. Okay, consider from here the minus sum is -4. Okay, so we are just going to update our sum as 0. And if we are taking from here, so there will be -3. Okay, minus yeah, plus 3, then it is 6. Okay, and this I think will be 4 plus 2 is 6. This minus minus cancel, so we have 6 as here. If we got plus minus this, okay, so we have 1 over here, okay, which is positive. And then this 4 becomes at 5. So what we should have done to store this largest sum, so what we are doing, we are storing, also storing the largest sum here. Okay, like this thing will give us the sum 6. Okay, now we are comparing, if like this 6 plus minus 5, our sum becomes 1, it is the greater or not. It is not greater, then our maximum sum will be this. 4 plus 1 is 5. We are comparing again with this. Okay, so in this manner we will get to the answer. So let's jump onto the problem and solve. As such, I am saying you we have to find max. So one of the variable name is max, and what we have done, we always choose integer dot min value for while calculating max. And what we do for min, we initialize our variable to max. Okay, now int current sum, so current sum is 0. Okay, now what you have to do here, you just have to iterate through the loop. Okay, so I am running my loop, and this is for loop for those who don't know. And in Python you can also do just in you can use range function or something else. Okay, and then right now what we have to do, we have to uh, plus our current sum equal to plus equals to nums dot I. Okay, nums at I. And right now, if now what we have to check, we have to check if our max is less than current sum. Okay, and what we are going to do, we are going to initialize our max as current sum. And right now, one more condition we have to take care of, if our current sum is anyhow less than equal to, oh wait a minute, yeah, less than equal to 0. So what we are going to, that means it is negative. Okay, then we have to update our current sum to 0. Okay, now after just coming from this loop, we are just simply going to return what we are going to return, we are going to return our max. So just run, I'm going to run this, see if our answer is right. Okay, so it is accepted for this, accepted for this as well, and accepted for this as well. Let me submit this and see if we got a right solution or not. Yes, it is accepted, beats 100%, and memory is also okay, and it's my first attempt. Okay, so the solution is done. I will make sure you get a link, or you can just write this maximum sum dot lead code, so you will get an answer of this problem. Just go to, and if you are preparing for TCS DCA, then just go here and go on to the playlist. Okay, so here these two playlists are very necessary to complete: TCS NQT question and TCS DCA question. Many of the questions are similar. Okay, so don't be bother about that. And if you're preparing for IPA, you can just check it out for Java and check it out for this playlist for Python. And for MCQs base, you can check out this playlist. Okay, so we are ending this video right here. Okay, bye.